Good morning. This morning we stopped off on our journey to Wat
Khao Din.
Wat Khao Din, which is about 15-20 minutes south of Hua Hin. Beautiful temple complex. But I thought we'd show you this. This particular part of the temple complex is where they cremate the bodies of the dead, where they burn them and pay respect to the passing of the spirit into the spirit world. It's quite a beautiful decorative temple with a chimney at the top, of course, for the burning. Quite pretty.
We can go up
Cup. Can you leave the shoes on? As you can see there, that's the door to the furnace where the body of the passing person's passed gets pushed in on the trolley and gets cremated. This lovely gentleman's going to show us inside for the camera. Yeah. Wow. Here we go. So this is the furnace where. Oh, look at that! Even have a pretend. So that's the furnace where the bodies had burned, and the chimney at the top. Beautiful. Cup and cup. Thank you. Phraya Nakhon CAVE. Parking the car in this parking place. Where do we want to park, Luke?
There.
Going to park over here where the cars are parked in the shade. Good morning. This morning we're at, where are we at? Phraya Nakhon CAVE, otherwise known as the Temple in the Cave, built for King Rama II, I think. King Rama II, that found the cave one time, and then they built a monument inside the cave to honour him. So yeah, come along. We've got a nice long walk, 2 kilometres up a mountain. See how we go.
Beautiful.
Yes, she is. How's the climb, Lek? White sandy beach. Maybe a good opportunity for some drone. testament to the goat track. We've had to climb up and down to get to this point on the beach. And then we've got a bit of flat walking for a while before we make our way to the cave.
Phraya Nakhon CAVE
Phraya Nakhon CAVE.
and Lam Sala Beach.
Lam Sala Beach. About an hour south of Hua Hin. Darling, look, look. The steps further. Can't really tell in the photo, but hell of a long way down. Amazing, inside a cave and there's like an entire rainforest growing.
Tham Phraya Nakhon.
Tham Phraya Nakhon, or Phraya Nakhon Temple in a Cave in the background. It's quite a hike to get here, but as you can see, it's a little temple. It's like a tropical rainforest inside a cave. Quite amazing, really. Very serene, very peaceful, very quiet. That's good. So that's about it for the Phraya Nakhon CAVE adventure. Finished up here on the beach at a little cafe for lunch. As you can see, Lek had, what do you have, Lek?
Tom yum.
Tom yum goong. No, tom yum tare.
Tom yum, yeah, seafood.
Tom yum seafood. Chicken and cashew, rice, mango smoothie. All awesome.